Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers, and wonder should they subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen? Is he showing me enough in the Power XL? Yes, Mr. Belle are. And you wonder how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen? That's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that button. You are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments you've been leaving and everything. Today, I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. Today, I'll be air frying the steak. I haven't had one of these in the Power XL, nice and good and everything. And today, my ingredients is I'll be using a teaspoon garlic powder, teaspoon accent, teaspoon Montreal Steak Season, and a teaspoon seasoned salt. You can use whatever kind of season you want. Today, Mr. Belle will be using this season right here, and I'm going to mix it up all together in this bowl right here, and I'll be doing that in the Power XL. Today I'll be doing an air fry. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a commercial break, and I'm going to put all this to the side and everything so we can get started. And you know, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. Thank you again for all the good comments. Let Mr. Belle know they appreciate him doing it step by step. Learning how to cook in the Power XL. Thank you for all the good comments. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this on air fry. Okay, been 20 minutes. So I'm going to give you an idea how this is looking. Mr. Belle going to take this and flip it over. As you see, it's getting nice and brown and everything. As you see, it's looking good. So I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to let that back side cook. And I'm going to set this to the side. Mr. Belle going to finish washing them dishes and everything. Hope it's come out really good and delicious. Okay, earlier I said it was 20 minutes. It was 12 minutes. Now it's been 20 minutes, so we're going to look at this right here. As you see, it's looking nice and good. Oh, yes, that's looking delicious. Like I say, this is the first time Mr. Belle cooking one. That looking so delicious. This is good right here. And I'm going to sit it back in and let it cook a few more minutes. And this right here should be done in about another 7 minutes. So I'm going to take it out in 7 minutes, and we're going to take a look at it. So it's been, the total amount of time been 22 minutes. I'm going to raise this top up and everything. We're going to take this out. This right here look like this is done right here, looking nice and good on both sides. As you see, it's looking good and everything. I'm gonna let that backside cook a little bit more for about 4 more minutes and put that top down. And that right there is done. So altogether been 24 minutes. So I'm gonna take this top up. This right here, I'm gonna press cancel. This is done. And like I say, it took the total amount is 24 minutes. We're going to take this out right here. And I'm going to sit it right over here. Look at that. That's looking good. Sit it right here. And I'm going to unplug this right here. And leave the top up, let it cool off. But I'm going to pull the camera back some so you get a good look at it and everything. Okay, I just took it out. It's hot, but I'm going to taste it. You see how this come out and everything? Just cut that side right there, a piece of it. And I'm going to taste it and see how it come out and everything. As you see, it's nice and good. Nice, good and tender. And this is the first time Mr. Belle air fried one. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. And if you don't know how to subscribe, wondering how to subscribe to Mr. Belle, so all you had to do, ding, hit that bell, and you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you. Mr. Belle have a lot of videos out there and making plenty more. Thank you.